Hello, good day, my dear students, and welcome to Al-Noor Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Colbin, and welcome back to our computer class. We are now in Chapter 5, Lesson 4, entitled From Algorithm to Coding. By the way, this lesson can be found on your textbook, pages 74 to 75. And here are the objectives of our today's lesson. The objectives are, first, to identify the use of a condition in a program, and the second one is to use the blocks if, then, else. Okay, so what are the materials needed for today's lesson? First is your computer book. Second is your pencil. The third one is your computer desktop or laptop with the Scratch applications. Now let's have a quick recap of the previous lesson. So what do you mean again by algorithm? When we say algorithm, it is a series of instructions that enable you to perform a task or a mission. And what is the use of loop in programming? The loop helps you repeat a set of instructions several times. Now, I want you to get your textbook and turn it on page 73. So here we have the condition if. So the condition if enables you to evaluate the condition in order to act appropriately. Now let's try to identify the blocks needed to make a project. Okay, first we have the category sensing. So the blocks from the category sensing can be inserted in the text entry box of another block. They receive information such as a sprite is touched, a color is touched, and when the edge is reached. Now let's move on to the second category, which is operators. So it says what? The blocks from the category operators are used to compare values. Take note, from the category operators, so the blocks that we have in here are used to compare values. Now let's proceed to category control. So the blocks from the category control can contain other blocks. They are used to control a program. So in here we have the blocks wait a second, the block repeat, the block forever, and the if then block. Here I want you to make a project using the condition if. So this one can be found on page 74 of your textbook. So first, you need to open a Scratch application, and then in the category sensing, slide the block ask and wait, then fill in the box with the operation 4 plus 4. Then number 2, add the block if, which helps you define the condition. The third one, use the blocks as you can see on the screen to set the right condition. The fourth one, in the category appearance, add the blocks to display the messages indicated on the right. And the fifth one is repeat the program and read the result. So all of that activity. So once you click this one, if you type in this one, ask 4 plus 4, and then your answer is 8, then this sprite will say bravo. But then if you write in here, for example, 4 plus 3, and your answer is 7, or I mean 8, then it will say try again. Okay, so it will work. So just try this activity at home using your Scratch application. Now on page 75 of your textbook, here's the project for you to make. So that would be all for today, and to summarize our today's lesson, let's try to answer this activity. by supplying the missing word. Okay, first we have this one. The blocks from the category blank are used to compare values. It says it is used to compare values. So from the category, operators. Now let's have the second one. The blocks from this category, okay, the blocks from the category blank can contain other blocks which are used to control a program. Here we have the keyword to control. So the answer is category control. There you have it. The third one says the blocks from this category will receive an information such as sprite is touched or the edge is reached. So this one is from the category sensing. And last but not the least, it enables you to evaluate the condition in order to act appropriately. And the answer is, if you're saying condition if, then you are correct. Would be all for today, my dear students. Thank you and have a great day.